Are you making losses in stock market day trading? And you don't know where to enter, where to exit, where is the target for your trades? Due to these small issues, you are losing big sum of money in the markets. This video is for you. With the help of Cpr Pivot Points, you are able to learn how to put your entries, exits and targets in an appropriate way. This system itself gives you the targets, exits and entries. A system with great entries, exits and targets is said to be a powerful system. Now I am here to discuss about the powerful system of Cpr Pivot Points, and by the end of this video you will be able to know how powerful it is, how you can predict tomorrow's price action of your stock or index using this Cpr Pivot Point trading. Okay, let's get into the video and see what I have prepared for you. This is a mind map where I am going to explain the powerfulness of Cpr Pivot Points. Through the Cpr Pivot Points, there is a potential to earn money from the markets. Let's go to the introduction. Okay, what is the end goal of watching this video? Tell me once. Tell to yourself what is the end goal of watching all these videos, surfing in the net, surfing in the YouTube. What is the end goal? The end goal is always money. When you are in the field of stock market, the end goal is always money. To make money, to make some more money, to make some big money. This is why you are here and you are watching my videos, right? So the end goal is making money. How to make money in day trading with the Cpr Pivot Points is the video. This is the explanation of Cpr Pivot Points here. See, you need to master the Cpr Pivot Points in order to enter the trades, take profits from the markets. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I'm going to show you a chart here. See, this is a chart here. Can you be able to know where to enter, where to exit in your trades? Think of it for a second. I will give you 5 seconds. Can you be able to take entries or exits or targets in this naked chart? Maybe, I think you don't know. Let's get into this chart. This is the same chart. This is the same chart I have shown just before. And you know, see here what happened here. This is the chart I have showed just now. How beautifully it is taking support at the CPR. This is the powerfulness of the CPR. When you learn the system, you have the great ability to gauge the price. Okay, when price stays above this area, there are higher chances to take the price support at this CPR and goes in your direction of bullishness. Now, I'll explain this here. This is the overall CPR system blueprint here. When you don't know anything about the CPR also, you are able to know what is what by the end of this video. See, this is the CPR, which consists of 3 lines. The top CPR, bottom CPR and the middle CPR. The pink line is called the central pivot point. Okay, and this combinedly called as the central pivot range. This central pivot range acts as strong support or the resistance. When the price comes somewhere here, this lines are acting as strong support. I will show you the example here. See, when price comes here, it is taking support at the CPR and it is consolidating for a period of time and suddenly took support from here. This is how the CPR acts. When the price comes from the above, it is acting as the support. When the price comes from below, it is acting as the resistance. And this blueprint consists of the 4 levels R1, R2, R3 and R4. which is R1 in the sense meaning resistance. The CPR above levels are acting as the resistance. R2 resistance, R3 resistance, R4 resistance. Okay. Now, the CPR below levels are called supports. S1 support, S2 support, S3 support. In the same way, S4 also will be there. Now, what interpretation we should get in with these levels? Let's see here. When the price stays from R1 between S1, this is commonly called as a sideways action zone. Okay, when the price stays in these between levels, we call it as a sideways action. When the price breaks through this R1 level, okay, R1 level and the previous day high, it is called as bullish zone. Most of the CPR traders will enter once the price breaks above this level. Okay, I'm going to explain this deeper in this video. Let's go to the mind map again. This is the overview. This is the blueprint. Okay. Now see here, why to use this? Whenever you do some things, you do any work, you have to ask yourself why you are doing it. Tell me why you are doing it. To gain knowledge about the markets, to use your CPR pivot points in your trading, to earn money from the stock market. This is the reason why you are using this. Now let's see why to use these CPR pivot points. Okay. Now see here, this is the naked chart and you don't know. Can you tell me where you will enter in the market? Is there any clue to enter in the market? No, right? Now I'll show you one thing here. This is the same chart. This is the same chart with CPR pivot points. See, it is taking support at this area, right? This is taking support at this area. There is a bearish candle with the strong supply. It breaks the CPR, but immediately it knows that it has to go above it. The price pushes above this area and made a big bounce here. Again the price comes to this CPR, made a big bounce here. See how beautifully the price is taking resistance at the narrow CPR. This is the power of CPR, and this is why you have to use CPR pivot points in your trading system. Now another example. Tell me, I'll give you 5 seconds whether you could be able to gauge the entries, exits and stop loss in this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No, right? Now let's see this with the example of the CPR. See, the price comes till the CPR and made a rejection here. Okay? And made a rejection here. This is how we have to analyze the CPR pivot points. Once it crosses below the CPR, then this support of CPR will remain as the resistance. Okay? And it should be like once it crosses below it, you can take the trade in a bearish view. There are infinite possibilities in the stock market day trading. Let's explore them. Now let's go to another example here. This is another naked chart and I want you to understand that where we can enter, exit and take our profits. I'll show you here. See how it is taking support at the CPR. The price stays above the CPR here. Here also the price stays above the CPR. Okay, this is the power of CPR pivot points. And the calculation method. How do you calculate all these levels? For example, I have shown you the blueprint of the CPR system. The pivot is high plus low plus close by 3, which is the average of previous days high, low and close. With these levels inputting every single day, we are going to get tomorrow's levels. This is why this pivot CPR system is called as leading indicator. Leading indicator in the sense Even without market opening, you are going to have your levels in your chart. This is the beauty of CPR indicator. And the day one I have started my day trading, I somehow attracted towards this CPR, and from that day till now I am a great fan of CPR pivot points. Even though I have learned the system, I want to learn some non-directional trading strategies. It doesn't come compared to the CPR pivot points, because I feel the certainty in an uncertain world. Okay, stock market day trading is an uncertain certain place, and I'm seeing the certainty in the field of stock market with the help of CPR. Okay, these are the formulas to calculate S1, S2, S3, which are supports, R1, R2, R3, which are resistances. Okay, and no need to calculate these all these things, because nowadays it is available in the trading view, and if you are able to search it in the indicators tab, you will be able to find the CPR here. Now, the CPR indicator in the trading view. Let's go there. Okay, I just have to log in here. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is the chart. When you go to the indicators tab, here search for CPR. Okay, when you search for CPR, you have CPR with pivot points, CPR by KGS. When you click on this, the indicator will shown here. See, the indicator will be shown here. When you unhide this, all the levels will be there. Okay, all the levels will be there, and now you are ready to use these levels in your charts. Let's go to the mind map again. Now, see how to use it. Go to the indicators tab and search for CPR with pivot levels by CPR by KGS. You will get this here. Okay. Okay, then the next point here. Interpretation. How do you understand all these CPR levels? Let me explain this to you. Again, I'm coming here with the CPR system blueprint, because I have told you I will explain this later. This is the time to explain the complete blueprint of the CPR pivot points. See, we are having the CPR central pivot range. This orange line is previous day's high. That means in the previous day trading day, the price goes till here. This is the all-time high of that day. This is the previous day low, which is the all-time low of previous day low. Okay, this is called previous day high. This is called previous day low. Now, you know about the resistances R1, R2, R3 and R4. Likewise, we have supports S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now, I want to segregate these supports and resistances to tell you where the bullish action will follow or where the bearish action will follow, as this is followed by professional profitable traders. Okay. Now see here, this is the zone of from R1 till S1. This is the zone of sideways action. When this price closes above the previous day high and the R1 and closes above the R1, that is called bullish zone. One powerful zone where we can enter the markets with the CPR pivot points is R1. Okay. Next to it is CPR. All these concepts are advanced concepts of the CPR. Let's go in a simple way. Now the R2 to R3 area, this area is called overstretch zone. That means when it crosses above the previous day high and R1 and it reaches above at the R2 and it closes above the R1, R2 and it appears at this zone. This zone is called overstretched zone. That means when price goes above this level, it is bullish, but This is overstretched. There are chances to the reversal. Okay. When these levels are crossed, R3 and R2 levels are crossed, is whenever there are trending days only, it will reach the overbought zone of R4. That's why I don't recommend any trades above R2 or R3, because these are called overstretching zones, overbought zones. These zones will give you indications of bullishness, but the markets trade 75% of the time sideways. So when you enter at these areas, there are higher chances of triggering your stop losses. If you learn my system, I won't allow you to take any trade above R2 or R3. Okay, likewise, we have supports here below the CPR, which is the bearish zone. When the price closes below the previous day low and the S1, this most of the profitable traders enters here. Okay, enters here and they aim for the S2. I have told you this system has perfect entries, exits and targets. I will discuss it in the video, in this video later. And this is the overstretch zone. I don't recommend my students to take trades at the overstretch zone or oversold zone. Okay, I haven't placed here oversold zone due to the space constraint, but this is the oversold zone. Now let's get into the mind map here. Now, what are the real life examples? When you learn something, you have to have some examples for that. When you see that examples, you have confidence that this system is a great and powerful system. Why we are learning the system? We can predict trending days in the markets. We can predict sideways days in the market. These are the real-time examples of predicting sideways and trending days. Okay. See, this is a naked chart. This is a very naked chart. See, when the price comes here to the CPR, there is a big bearish day here, which is a trending day here. Why it is trending day? See, here also a trending day. Why it is a trending day? How can you predict these trending days? Can you tell me? I will tell you the reason to predict these trending days even before the first candle shows in the charts. For example, tomorrow can be a trending day or a sideways day. I could say with great probability about tomorrow's price action. Of course, every day our analysis may not be right, but 60 or 70% of the time, if your analysis is right, you are going to be profitable by the end of the month. Like many YouTubers or many gurus, I don't encourage taking profits every single day like in lakhs, but my approach is taking money by the end of the month to your home to cater your needs. This is my approach. Okay, if you are expecting that lakhs of rupees every single day, yeah, you are having the zeal of day trading, this is not for you. I expect the traders who watching this video to be a process oriented approach. They have patience to take the trades. Okay, then only you have to watch this video, otherwise you can go off this video. Okay, why? Because this is a trending day. Even before the market opens, I know, because the CPR is so narrow. When the CPR is so narrow, there are higher chances to the trending day. See, this is also a narrow CPR. This is a trending day. Okay, this is how it happens. Now, another example. See here. Can you tell me anything about the charts here? I'll show you with the CPR pivot points. Now, this is a wide CPR. Wide in the sense, the gap between the CPR is visible, right? See, this is the CPR with narrowness. This is the wide CPR. Wide CPR indicates sideways days. We don't, maybe sometimes wide CPRs also showing some bullishness trending days, but 70% of the time the days are sideways days. It is a bullish candle, made some bullish move here, then again sideways action. Okay, now let's get into this mind map. These are the real life examples. Now see here, what is this? Predict the trends. Whenever you learn any system, you can be able to predict the trends. Without predicting the trends means you can't be able to make good money. When the trend is uptrend, you are shorting the market, you are shorting your stock or your index. There is no point in trading, because all the traders will be against you, because they know how to know the current trend of the market. The trend has three trends like uptrend, downtrend and sideways trend. These are the real-time examples here. Let's go here. See, when there is a CPR, descending CPR like this, descending from here till here, from here till here, this is a descending CPR. This is an indication that the trend is downtrend. Okay, now let's see with the price in it. See, the price stays below it and keep on moving down, keep on moving down. Maybe it is bouncing back, but it is keep on moving down. When you see here also, there is a gap down opening. This is how we can predict the market with the CPR pivot points. Another example. See here, this is the naked chart. Once you see about the CPR, you are not able to see the charts without the CPR indicator. I'll tell you one story. I have done my pre-market analysis and sit before my table at 9 o'clock or 8:45. That day what happens is, when I switch on the computer, my CPR levels are gone. I don't know how it has done, but my CPR levels are gone. For about 5 to 10 minutes, I am really very panicking. Why? Because I don't know what is happening in the market, where to enter, and I expect that day to be a great day for me. Okay, that's why I am panicking. I just go to the indicators. It requires at least 5 minutes time to customize the levels. So I feel really panicked, and I realized that this is going to be a part of my life, my trading life. Without CPR, I can't do anything. Now let's see. This is the same charts with CPR. See, wide CPR, sideways action. Wide CPR, sideways action. Narrow CPR, trending action. Okay, I hope this is a eye opener for you if you don't know the CPR concept. Now I have completed the real-time examples here. Now why I am doing this video? Because I have a complete system of the CPR pivot points with me. Once you learn the system, you are able to do your own trades. You can do your pre-market analysis as your own, and you can take your trades with perfect entries, exits and stop losses, whatnot, everything. Okay, and let's discuss here. Okay, I have a day trading money blueprint course where you are getting complete information about the CPR system, how to take entries, exits, trending days, downtrend days, uptrend days, sideways days, completely covered in this day trading money blueprint course. Okay, the customization options here. Let's go here. Okay, let's go here, how you can customize these levels. Okay, when you go here, go to the settings here and see show daily pivots. As we are day traders, we can customize these levels. Okay, and you're going to have the style here. You can style it whatever you want, whatever color you want. I have styled these according to my needs. I'll show you what is that need. I'm very much interested about the CPR and the R1 here. Usually it is not like this. When the indicator is not like this, I have customized myself to recognize the levels for me. Okay, now this is the customization part where you can have some freedom to customize it to your eyes. Okay, now usage tips. Important levels. Here we are having the important levels to use in the live market. Those levels are demand and supply zones, gap borders, virgin CPRs. Let's go here. Okay, demand zone is something the price crashes like this and suddenly it took support here and made a bounce from here. This is called demand zone. When these things happens, we mark these levels like this. Okay, we mark these levels like this. When the price comes here for the next time making a bullish candle like this, we know that there are higher chances to the follow through in this direction. That's why the big moves have happened at this green line. This is a demand zone. Okay, this is called demand zone, and the complete course is covering all these demand and supply zone concepts, gap borders, virgin CPRs. These are the levels followed by professional traders. Let's go to the gap borders here. Gap borders are something when there is a gap up opening, we mark these levels as gap borders. For me, when I see the gap borders in the live market, I'm going to mark these with blue color because there are so many levels in the charts. When I see them, I have to recognize in the live market this is a gap border which is a strong support or a resistance. See, this is a gap border. When price comes near this gap border, there is a bounce back. Again, there is price comes here, there is a bounce back. This is so powerful concept. Now the virgin CPR. Virgin CPR is something the price didn't go into the CPR. This is called virgin CPR. We mark this virgin CPR with this pink line. Okay, this is a CPR, virgin CPR from previous days. When we mark before the market opens, and here there is a bearish move happening here. See, there is a rejection from this level. Okay, there is a rejection from this level. This is how we use the strong supports and resistances here. Now, from the beginning of this video, I keep on saying that we have entries, exits and targets. This come under the risk management. When you have risked small amounts and you are targeting big amounts, that is called risk management. In day trading, there is no possibility that every day you are making profits from the markets. Sometimes you have to give money to the market in the form of fee. That fee is called stop loss. Now let's get into the risk management here. Risk management here is, see, this is the previous day high I have told you, and once it is making a bullish candle, okay, once it is making a bullish candle, you know that at previous day high, traders are going to be there to push the price in a bullish way because the trend is bullish. How do you know about the trend? That you know about the trend by coming to my courses, CPR Pivot Points course. In that, exclusively trend following strategies will be there. Okay, and this part, this small orange pink shade, this part is called the risk, and this is your reward. Whenever you enter the market, you enter with small risks and high rewards. Small risk, high reward. Small risk, high reward. In this way, out of 10 trades, if your trades are 5 trades are stop loss triggering trades also, you can make money by the end of the month, because you can't avoid it. It is unavoidable to take losses in the market. Okay, what you can do is risk less, reward high, risk less, reward high. Okay, Do you have any question and answers regarding this CPR pivot points? You can ask me in the comment section. I'm ready to give you the answers here. Okay? And if you don't have any questions, means you don't understand anything and you are wasting your time watching this video for this long time. If you want to learn about the system, go through the window, write it down in a piece of paper or ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to clear your doubts. And if you really require the one-to-one session from me, which is 100% free, as you are watching my videos, as you are my subscriber, I can give you 20-minute one-to-one clarity session about the CPR pivot points, where you can ask me any questions in that. I can explain it to you, and you can share with me the pain points you are facing. If you are a new trader, you don't know where to start, what to read, what indicator to learn, you have so many questions, confusions in your mind. If that is your pain point, I'm here to clear all your doubts. Even you are not my subscriber, I don't care. I am here to clear all your doubts as you are a new trader. Or you can also book the one-to-one clarity session with me, where I can explain the process, where you have to start, what you have to read, what is the process. Even though if you don't take my level 1 course, it's okay, but I'm here to voluntarily help you to go through the journey of stock market day trading. Now, what are the resources here? Okay, I have a website called visalakshirajapantulagraphy.com, and when you are going to that website, you are going to have some products over there, like my level 1 course, day trading money mastery course, and the level 2 courses, the products. In that product section, I have stored the previous charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty every single month. If you want to take back testing the charts, you can go there and download them. And I have a free ebook to start day trading. When you don't know anything about day trading, you don't know what is trading you and where to start it, what is the right process, what is the step-by-step process. In this ebook, if you are very new to the day trading, I'm going to give the step-by-step procedure, how to open the TradingView account, how to put the CPR indicator in that. Everything will be there in this free ebook. Okay, now this is the level 1 course. Level 1 course in the sense, the video you are watching till now is just a premiere, right? This is just some information about the CPR, and you want to learn the complete system, and you want to take trades with the CPR system as your own. You can learn, come my level 1 course, where I am offering this course. And if you want to learn the complete system, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can ask me in my email ID, which I'm going to give you in the description box. Even though if you don't attend my course, it's okay, just follow my videos. This is all like do it yourself. When you attend the courses level 1 and level 2, level 1 is like the deep concepts of CPR. As you have learned about the CPR in this video, there is an advanced level of CPR in the level 1 course, which is completely conceptual. Okay, you will know what are the concepts in the CPR, completely theoretical. When you come to my level 2 course, I would like to take your hand in my hands to guide you where to enter, where to exit. Of course, nobody can guarantee the profits every single day, but by the end of the day, you can make with the help of my level 2 course. I hope you understand what I'm saying. All these links will be given in the description section, and I hope you meet in my level 1 course. Thank you so much for watching my videos till now, and I know if you are watching this video till now, you understand what I'm saying. Even though you are not interested or financially not comfortable to take the level 1 course, it's okay. Just follow my videos every single day. I'm going to post some valuable insights in the YouTube channel. If at all you needed the level 1 course, please approach me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.